Hi folks, Linda LaPilusa here, and I am here to introduce you to an exquisite property. It's at 6548 Old Vincennes Road in Floyds Knobs, which is one of the most desirable zip codes in southern Indiana, 47119. And this property has been in the family for many years, and they've lovingly restored it. And they have just renovated it top to bottom with a new roof, new gutters, new downspouts, new Marvin windows in the front, new garage doors, insulated garage doors, new hardy board, new covered front porch, exquisite lighting throughout, and interior and exterior. They have upgraded this in all its splendor. So I'm so excited to introduce it to you. It is on 2.35 acres. It is partially wooded, it is private, it is peaceful. The home itself offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a true first and second floor primary suite. So let's go in and see. Thanks for taking this tour with me. I know you'll enjoy it. Welcome to the heart of the home, and this kitchen has a great area, a spacious area for eat-in kitchen. It also has, as you'll see, a massive island that can also accommodate easily 4 stools, an abundance of beautiful cabinetry with really nice design features, the built-in trash can. It has some pull-out shelving. It has wide drawers throughout, which can accommodate your pots, your pans. It has platter drawers. It has spice racks. It has magnificent upgraded quartz countertops and a beautiful tiles backsplash. Beautiful hood. These appliances are beautiful GE Café with gold accents that pull in the gold hardware and the gold accents on the lighting and the beautiful natural light and farmhousing. This kitchen is exceptional. Someone is truly going to enjoy lovingly preparing food and meals in this kitchen and entertaining, no doubt. It is a chef's delight, and the surroundings are magnificent where all the windows bring the outside in.